we have made some points like how do we solve system of linear equations. Here the 3 points are on the display. All equations in the form of ax plus by equals c form a straight line when graphed. Later on we will discuss about the equation ax plus by equal to c. This is very special equation, and here a, b and c are 3 arbitrary constants, and on the basis of this equation we can plot the straight line on the 2-dimensional axis. The second point is two such equations are or a linear system of equations. A solution to a system of linear equations in two variables is an ordered pair that satisfy both the equations. Here we can see in the example, determine if each ordered pair is a solution of the following system, like 4 minus 1 in B minus 4 3. Like if we solve x plus 2y equals 2 and x minus 2y equals 6. So here we can see, to solve both the equations we have to eliminate x in both the equations or y in both the equations, or we can also find out the value of x in terms of y or value of y in terms of x, and by substituting the values of x or y in the second equation, then we can easily solve the equation x and y. Like in steps here this is mentioned, replace the ordered pair in the system for x and y. Is the equation true? If so, then it is a solution. If not, then it is not. Note, it must be true for both the equations, meaning x and y must be satisfied to both the equations after getting the solution for x and y. So here we can see, if we put 4 minus 1 in both the equations, then x equals 4 plus 2 times into minus 1, then 2 minus 1 minus 2, and 4 minus 2 equals 2, and minus 1 in second equation, minus 1 for y and 4 for x, then 4 and minus 2 into minus 1, then 4 plus 2 equals 6, meaning 4 and minus 1, which is given in option A, satisfy both the equations. And if we put minus 4 instead of x and 3 instead of y, then minus 4 plus 2 times 3, then 3 into 2 6 minus 4 equals 2. This is true for equation 1. And when we put the value of minus 4 3, which is in ordered pair format, so for x minus 4, then minus 4 minus 2 of 3, then 3 2 minus 6 and minus 4 equals minus 10, which is not equal to 6. So by substituting the value minus 4 and 3, which is given in option B, it doesn't satisfy equation 2. So we can say that 4 minus 1, which is given in option 1 A, is the true option. Now, solving a system of linear equations. Way to solve: by graphing the points where the lines intersect in the solution, and by substitution. Here are the two ways to solve the system of linear equations. Now solve by substitution. If 5x minus 4y equals 9 and x minus 2y equals minus 3, then step 1, we have to solve either of the equations for one variable in terms of other. Like जैसा कि पहले डिस्कस किया हम लोगों ने कि अगर हम लोग y फाइंड कर लिए इन टर्म्स ऑफ x और उसको सेकेंड इक्वेशन में पुट कर दें, या फिर x को फाइंड कर लिए इन टर्म्स ऑफ y और उसको सेकेंड इक्वेशन में पुट कर दें, या फिर फर्स्ट में भी पुट कर ले सेकेंड इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करके x और y को किसी को भी इन टर्म्स ऑफ अदर वेरिएबल, तो वहाँ से हम लोग x और y को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। और जैसा कि मैंने मेंशन किया यहाँ पे कि सब्स्टिट्यूट द एक्सप्रेशन फ्रॉम स्टेप 1 इनटू द अदर इक्वेशन, सेम एज solve the resulting equation. Then substitute the value into one of the original equations to solve for the second variable. तो हम लोग के पास यहाँ पे दो वेरिएबल्स x एंड y, अगर y को फाइंड आउट कर ले इन टर्म्स ऑफ x तो उसको सेकंड इक्वेशन में पुट कर सकते हैं इन प्लेस ऑफ y, और वहाँ से x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, या फिर x को फाइंड कर ले इन टर्म्स ऑफ y और उसको सेकंड इक्वेशन में पुट कर ले तो हम लोग फिर वहाँ से y की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं।